How to use organic tea tree oil. As you can see here, got Essante Organic tea tree. So I'm going to put in 8 drops in the diffuser, which has some filtered water. All right, that's plenty. So it came out kind of fast. I'm not sure if that's because of the texture of this kind of oil. Smells strong, smells fantastic. Let me get the camera up. What's up? You got Corey Neese here. Let me put the lid on, and I'm showing you a quick little demonstration how to actually use the essential oil. And now it's going, okay? And we're going to start to receive all the benefits of the tea tree oil here, which I'm going to tell you are very many, okay? So the benefits, which I'm going to read through all of them, are body heat, breathing problems, circulatory health, congestion, coughs, detoxification, dry, flaky scalp, fungus, growth of microorganisms, immunity, infections, mouth, sinuses, reproductive, kidney and bladder health, mouth health, respiratory support, scalp health, shock, skin conditions, swollen glands, swollen gums, vaginal health, and yeast management. So you got a little background noise here today. It's noon, so the fire alarms are going off. Now, for all those benefits, it's only $20 at a wholesale rate. Now, if you're a retail customer, it's only $25. So if that interests you, I'll drop a link below the video, which you can read all about the essential oil tea tree below, but also a bunch more about essential oils, like how to use it, why essential oils work, the essential oil selection process with Essante Organics, which is the oil that I just showed you. All right, so hit the link below the video if you're interested, and I will see you in the next one.